Good evening once again, ladies and gentlemen. Did you enjoy the sumptuous dinner prepared for everyone? You know, this is already our third day together, and it seems like, and the 30th year, yeah, fourth day together, and our 30th year since we parted as graduates of Southern Islands Hospital College of Nursing, but it seems like only yesterday, right? And parang kulang din pero ng oras. We had our kick-off mass at Simala to pay homage to the lady, to those who are believers and of the lady of Simala. Then the last 2 days, yesterday was Friday and Saturday, we were at the Bidar Resort in Tuburan for our beach party. It was rather very informal, and indeed it was very amazing that everyone started gathering together, and as usual, plus 81. Pag inuwagtang ang pagka. Record? Okay. Kanan ng field, Pilantan, during those times as when we were students, puro kita mo excel, right? Beauty, brains, sports, whatever. Sa choral singing, champion. Sa sports, champion me. Sa beauty contest, twice me in a year na nakakuha me sa Miss Foundation. Okay? So that's why we're called the record breakers. We're also the first batch to stop the tradition of hazing and kaning mga daw sa mga lower classmen. We stop the tradition because we don't want to become yeah. I only stop because we don't want to, repeat the cycle and, people have very, very bad experiences with that, so I'm gonna be stop as a class. And it ended with us. Okay, without much ado, I would like to call a very special guest. She's our upperclassman. She belongs to the class of 1980. And at present, she's a homebody and a homemaker and a very dedicated partner of a doctor, very famous internal medicine, Dr. Jean Matiga. She's also the president of the Southern Islands Hospital College of Nursing Alumni Association. Let's all welcome Ms. Jane Matiga, Ms. Jane Lorente Matiga for her welcome address.
Of 1981, guest, husband ni Jackie, si Dr. Wyland Briones, actually, my husband of J. Tony, and other husbands. And then Ma'am Yap, other members of the board are here tonight, Ma'am Leslie and Ma'am Belinda. A pleasant good evening to you all. Nahilis ko sa inyo kagwapa. Murag di bata ko. Murag pag ko pa man itong tuig nga nagkuyog ta. Unya, mga naive kaayo. Karoon mga tang-an, ano? Anyway, I know unsa nga caliber ang graduate sa Southern Islands, right? We are world class. Though I have never worked, but just being a graduate of Southern Islands, I believe, makes me still what I am now. Very proud. Edith sent me a letter and requested me to deliver a message so that you will be aware of what's going on with our association, especially ang atong only kanaang treasure, our center. When our set of officers, this new board took over, I think that was 2007. Kalo introduced, we were inheriting actually a lot of problems. Pero dili na lang ito nato isgutan ang problema kay positively maayo ra ang tanan. Karon ang buotan nato nga director sa atong ospital ug ang city. Now, medyo nasumbad na nato ang city. We're almost in the muranag ka na negotiation stage na positive kaayo. May ano po sa atong Pero, dunay 2 years ago in one of our homecoming, tungod kay that was really the highlight nga giipit dito sa city, sa pabayron ta sa atong tax. Timing to nga, there was a very able and very aggressive po na alumni nato. I hope you're familiar si Ma'am Alice Andam, na she really took the podium and campaign and begged to all the alumni nga mo kanang nag-pass the hat bitaw. Yeah, that very night, we were able to raise $3,800 and 110,000 in pesos. So actually, kanang kwartaha, ato din sa itong daw para ibayad sa itong tax. Unya, wala man dawat sa city kay dili man kuno sila mo dawat o bayad ng kuwang. So maayo po dahil ito sa blessing in disguise. Kaya karon ato na siyang gihipo. So more or less mo siya won't really offer it for rent kay dili man to pwede because we are declaring as a non-profit institution. So murag voluntary donation. So start na sa August. So pag Wednesday nag-blessing ang BLD. Is there somebody working in Salinas? I think I can identify Marvin. This is actually off the record, okay? But I want to share this with you what happened. Only latest na mo. So pag, if you notice, if you go out of the gate on the left side, nabakante na siya, kay nasa una po'y namatagingan lang na nato na exhibitor, ipahawa, kay the business was not good. So karon ato na siyang pa-assume alumni rapod, nga murag himuon niyang alumni canteen, si Mr. Ruben Catan. So dito si Dr. Aquino actually in that area, unya iyang ipatawag nga atong secretary, but we were already ongoing, the blessing was ongoing dito sa taas, the BLD. So iyang ipatawag nga atong secretary si Gina yung England. Gina, ako sa Ginoo. Pero kini, ano mong malanggit ani? Ako pa may chief dili. Ano mo nang gipunta niya? O, di ba? So well, anyway, di mo si Gina do. Naaman si Ma'am Jane ug ang mga board sa taas. Gusto ka makigsulti. So ingon siya, dili ni maoy proper venue. Tingnan lang sila, makikita ko nila ugma. O di ba padata lang sila suwat. So that was last Wednesday. On a Thursday, nakadawat din ko suwat. So pagkadawat na ko sa suwat, ang iyang giingon sa suwat nga, per memo ko no, number mo na ang attorney, si Attorney Esperanza, I forgot the family name, who is the OIC of Vicente Soto, OIC auditor, COA auditor, Vicente Soto. So we have weapons in what to do. So this is one thing, at this point na ako mapanghambog ninyo. Pero ang ato din able nga legal counsel is the husband of Miss Ma'am Joy Alo, who is a graduate of class 1977, and she is the secretary of the association board nato. So, okay. Pag hangyo ni Dr. Aquino nga ipatangtang ang kural, ang iyang reason was, na siya gitukod nga bagong building, which is the trauma center. Unya, giusap ang traffic, which is, if you have to think about social responsibility, angay itang mo yun. Unya, another reason was, naapit na yung mga alumni nga nagtrabaho dito sa Soto. Nya, di ba, for the past years, doon na bitaw mga bickerings kay, nilalagay pagsabot nga, dili yun kuno ta magkauyo niya. So, it was also a gesture of showing to Dr. Aquino nga, kung ingon ani, kung ano, kami nga alumni, yung support man may, basta maayo nga rason. So, mo to nga, kita, ning subutan at ang tangon ng kural, kaya himuon mag-iwagianan. But it does not mean nga, ning ingon ka nga, ning sugot, kay ila ang yuta. Okay? And the second is, I have prior appointments sa buwan. So, ano to? Uy, di pa tawagan ng mupalit ni Ingon man nga Ingnas, Mrs. Matiga, ipaput into writing, anong i-refuse siya makikita niya? Na nayabag na yun pa. Sige, ingnan na po ditong Secretary Jill. Ato na lang din yung i-prefer sa atong lawyer. Yung sa mo siya kasuko. Yan ang pinag-refer sa muna ni. I'm telling you this, it's going to be a start of another referendum. Controversy. Sakto ka, Ma'am Jack. So, mauna to, nag-emergency meeting ni ganina, paghapon, with Atty. Alo. So, I am going to, actually si Atty. Alo gusto akong pinumara ko. Yung si Atty. Alo, akong siyang suwatan, ingnan ako siya na. Nagpadagag letter of request for a meeting with this gani. Wa gani, you were referring to a certain memorandum, wa gani kay Pao. Can you give us a copy of that memorandum? Ang guest ni Atty. Alo, katong memorandum has something to do with, kanang kitang word itong inventory sa mga kunahin properties. So, mura maupo. So, can you give me a copy of that memorandum? And also ako sa Chiinan, ibalipad ko sa imong meeting because of so short on notice and I have prior appointments. So, in lieu of this, kaya mo makapapaswat to letter of refusal, ako na lang refer sa among legal counsel. So, mga dito, si Atty. Alo Padangyan, ingnon siya nga, isay itong ibuhat, previous na mga ibuhat, sa Ma'am Jackie, nag-iisubi-subi, investigate, and iyan na mo, uy, yung sugot ni due to some reasons, so mga itong social responsibility, katong gusto mi nga wala lang tayo natay mga maayo nga kanang relasyon anak unya. So iingnan ko na to ug dili maganing makahatag og saktong espiritu sa association or sa mga members alumni amo ni pasirhan ang among gate, di ba? So cute no? Pero mura ng sugod og away. So karon ni ako sa inyong atubangan magpaibaw ninyo nga tamang kampo kaya this is a start of a battle. Kaya kana si Dr. Aquino, iyang pili na siya magpapili. And, iyon nyo na lang ang taga-aghigayon ni nga, maka-enjoy, kamo nga hapit na may ma-extend. Kung maka-enjoy yung taon ng mga alumni, hapit na may mahurot. Just give it another 10 to 16 years. Mas na mamino, maybe they don't really feel what we feel, di ba? Nga mo na lang ko dito na itong bahandi, nga mo na lang ko na, ano na ba ito? So to your name we upheld and ever loyal we give undying love. Huwag isa kasabutan. So, karon, whatever possibilities and whatever weapons or kung say, among masanang, we can assure you guys that pwede po di mo maguli-uli sa mga pila katuig. Ang center will still be there. Naantay mga gagmay na mga ayuson so that kung naan yung may time, you can go back to the center and visit and then just make an appointment and I will tour you around some things to do, okay? Thank you very much and good evening.
I request you to stay here first because we have something unspoken from the past. Because you honored us with your presence tonight and giving us some messages that give us information. We give you this bouquet and this souvenir from the past, okay?